In between the blue jay invasion, we'll get all these other species will come in. They play nicer together, more tolerant of one another, with the possible exception of the mourning doves. They can be piggies too. But all the smaller birds can get in here along with the red-headed woodpecker. And we feed these smaller birds by hand every once in a while too. That's a kick in the pants. We give them the peanuts, which I think they like better than these golden safflowers, but they like the golden safflowers too quite a bit. I think they've developed a taste for them.